Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to EVS class. So in the previous class, we have studied about roots. Have you recalled children? Types of roots. We have seen taproot system and also fibrous root system. With examples, we have studied that concept, right children? So today we are going to study about stem. Now see here children. You know about 5 different kinds of plants, right? Now, if you see the stem of trees, can you see this? Strong, stout, and also you can see main stem. We will call it as trunk. It is brown in color, right children? Have you seen all this? Yes. Based on the stems also, they will be divided into 5 types, right? Just like trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers, and creepers. Let us observe briefly about the stems. See how the stems are in trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers. Let us observe carefully, right children? Have you noticed any difference in the stems when compared to trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers, and creepers? Once again, let us observe. So in trees, you have seen trunk, which is, yes, brown in color. Right, children? Main big stem, and you can see the branches, and which will be covered with leaves. Have you seen this? Yes. Now, if you observe in herbs, the stems are soft and green. Right, children? They are soft and green. Have you all observed? Just recall the topic. Now, see the herbs. Sorry, shrubs. These are the shrubs. Now, if you see cotton, have you seen this woody stem here? Now, if you see the rose, it is green in color, but is it soft? No, it is hard. Now, if you see hibiscus, yes, it is also woody. And if you see pomegranate, yes, the stems are woody. And they are just like bushy. Can you see? They are just like bushy. Yes. So, this is the difference between the stems in herbs, shrubs, trees. Now, if you see climbers and creepers, the stems are weak. Right, children? Can you see? Yes, they are weak. They are soft. If you see the climbers, can you see these tendrils? Just like a wrinkled fiber-like structure. Have you seen this? Yes, these are called tendrils, which helps in support. Now, see this grapevine? Yes, it is tender and also they are supporting on another stick or any other plant. Have you noticed the difference? Yes. Here, if you see the pea plant, the stems are, yes, they are weak. Money plant, yes, they are weak. They are climbing on the support. It may be wall, fencing, or any sticks or any other plants. Have you noticed, children? Yes. Now let us see the creepers. They are creeping on the ground. They are creeping on the ground. So here also you will see weak stems. They are weak and green. Have you seen? Yes. So these are the differences. Yes, children, now everyone understood. Have you got the clear picture about the different kinds of stems? Yes. Now let us see what the stem will do. Okay. Now see here, this is the stem. These are roots we have studied in the previous class. We have studied about root systems, that is fibrous root system and also tap root, system. Main root, and also you can see secondary rootlets or secondary roots. Secondary roots, main root, secondary roots. Here, there is no main root. Directly, all the roots will form just like hair-like substances, hair-like projections. Okay, children? Yes. Now, let us see. So, in the previous class, we have seen, right, children? Taproot system, fibrous root system. We have seen main root. For this main root, you have seen secondary roots. And here you have seen fibrous roots. So, what is the function of the root, children? Absorption of water and also helps the plant to stand erect, right? That is anchorage, anchor. So these two types we have seen yesterday. They helps in absorption of water and minerals and also for support. Now let us discuss about the stem. Everyone observe carefully, children. You can open your textbooks, page number 47. Just see here, stem. Stem is a part of the plant that grows above the soil. So where the stem is present, children? Yes, above the soil. It is also a part of a plant. Now, the stem gives rise to the branches and other parts. So you have seen about stems, right, children? See here, this is a stem. So other parts of the plant can be seen on the stem. Like branches, you have seen leaves, flowers, fruits. Right, children? Yes. Now, is the stem similar in all the plants? So just now we have seen different kinds of stems, right, children? Here, no, the stems are not similar. In all the plants, they will be different. Like in some plants, you have seen hard and thick stem like trees. And in some plants that is soft and green color, you have seen that is just like herbs. And you have seen thick or thin and woody stems just like in our shrubs. And you have seen weak stems. You have seen weak stems just like climbers and creepers. Right, children? And in shrubs also you have seen like rose plants, they can have the thorns on their stems. Right? Yes. And you know paper flowers, that is bougainvillea. Yes, they will be also having some thorns on their stem to protect the plant from enemies. Right, children? Yes, let us discuss it briefly. So observe the plants in your surroundings. How are their stems? Record your observations in the given table. Put a tick in the appropriate column. See children, here you have to open your textbook page number 47. Just see around your house. Come out and just observe the plants which are present in your surroundings. Okay children, write the name of the plant and also you can write the nature of the stem. Either it is soft or hard. Just what you have to do, you have to do tick marks. Okay, just put the tick marks. Either if it is soft, you just put it soft. If it is hard, just put it hard. And see the appearance of the stem. Is it thin or is it thick? Okay, with bark or with thorns or stem color you have to write. Okay, green, if it is green, write green color. If it is brown, you can write brown color. Okay, now see here, creepers or climbers. Type of a plant. Type of a plant you have to observe. Either it is creeper or climber. Either it is creeper or climber you have to mention. And is it bushy? For example, if you have hibiscus plant in your home, it will be bushy or creeping or climbing, children? Yes, it is bushy. Is it a tree? No, it is a shrub. So it is bush. So you can write hibiscus plant. So the stem of the hibiscus plant is soft? No, keep it wrong here. It is hard. Is it thin or thick? Is it thin or thick? You have to write. Okay, it is not so thin or it is not so thick, but it is somewhat hard. So you can write thick. With bark, no, it is not having bark. So with thorns, no, it is not having thorns. So stem color, brown. So if it is a matured plant, you will see the stems will be brown in color, woody. Okay. Now, is it a climber? Is it a creeper? No. This is a bush. Is it a tree? No, it is wrong. In that way, you can observe the plants which are present in your home and you can do this activity. Will you do the activity, children? Yes, children, this activity you should do by your own, such that you should know how much you have understood about the different kinds of plants. Will you do this? Will you do this, children? Yes, you have to do, children. Now, you might have observed your 4 or 5 plants in your surroundings. So, what did you learn from these details? So, your friends might have collected information, discussed in groups with your friends. So, now discussing with your friends is not possible. So, you can discuss with your elders or with your parents. Okay, children? Now, see here, few questions are given. Which plants have bark? What is the color of the bark? So all these questions we will discuss in next slide. Let us see more brief about the stems. So stems of all plants are not similar. Do you agree, children? Yes, all are not similar. Stems of some plants have thorns and some plants have bark. Yes. So just like thorns, you can see just like our bougainvillea plant, that is paper flowers, and also you can see our rose plants, right? Now, if you see, the plants have bark. Yes, some plants have bark just like our mango tree or neem tree. Okay, for big trees, you can see the bark. Now see here, stems of some plants are soft. Yes, just like our herbs, and some are rough, just like our shrubs. In some plants, stems give strength to the plants to stand erect. So in some plants, some stems give strength, right children, to stand erect, like tulsi plant, hibiscus plant, or in trees like a mango, banana, guava, all this. But if you see these climbers just like grapevine, money plant, and also if you see this pumpkin, watermelon, their stems are very strong, children. No, they are weak. So with the help of some support, they will climb in climbers and they will scroll on the ground just like our creepers, right children? Hope everyone now you know how to differentiate the, yes, plants, different kinds of plants. Now let us discuss more briefly about other plants, children. Yes, see here, functions of the stem. Functions of the stem. Let us see. Now, transport. Transport water. Transport means, yes, it absorbs the water from the roots and stems, it will send to all parts of the plant. So transport water and nutrients from roots to the leaves. See here, from the roots slowly the water will be absorbed. Now this water will be transported, that is sent to the stem. Through the stem slowly the water will move and they will enter into the leaves and other parts of the plant. Okay children? Yes. Now they will support. So these stems will support leaves, fruits and also flowers. Okay? Yes. So these trees, that is this stem, supports leaves, fruits and flowers. See here. these leaves and also many fruits and flowers will be grown on the stem. Okay. Now third function, that is food storage. So here the food will be storage in the form of fruits. Okay. This is the functions of the stem. Did you understand? Transport of water and nutrition from the roots to the stem and also to all parts of the plants. And it also supports leaves, fruits and flowers. Okay. And third thing, that is food storage. Food will be stored in the stems. Okay. Now see here, different types of stems. See, some stems stores the food just like our potato, and also you can see bulbs, and you can see this rhizome, that is ginger, all those things will be the storage of stems. Okay. And also you can see support of the plant. See who is giving support to the plant body? Stem. And also transportation of nutrients and among the different parts of the plant, right children? So this stem holds up the leaves to the sun. So who is holding these leaves? Stem. So these are the examples and also functions of the stems. Okay children, did you understood about stem? Functions of stem? Yes. Now see here, stems function. Support and also helps in the transport of water and minerals. See, these are roots. From the roots, water and minerals will be absorbed slowly and it will sent to the stem. See the stem, it is green in color, and this stem bears the leaves, and this water and minerals will be sent slowly through this stem to the leaves. Okay children. Then the leaves performs the function called photosynthesis. In the next class we are going to study about functions of the leaf and also performance